So if you're promoting a affiliate offer or clickbank offer with Google Ads, this video is for you. Here you can see if you type Google Ad policies for affiliate marketing in Google search, you're going to get this answer. You cannot advertise with Google. The conclusion, do not advertise website and landing page. You have no control over the content, and successful affiliate marketing is almost impossible in Google Ads. Here you can see this is one of my ad account, and most of this offer campaigns which you're seeing, search campaign, right, or display campaign, guys, I promote affiliate offers, I promote clickbank offers. So here in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing with Google Ads, and I'm going to show you 10 tips before you start. Okay, these are the 10 tips, guys, you have to keep in mind. You have to learn and apply before you start campaigns with Google Ads. These 10 tips will help you to get more and more conversion. If you're looking sales conversions, right, with your affiliate campaign, this is the video you have to watch till the end. And guys, following these 10 tips will keep your account healthy. You will be far away from suspending your Google ad account. So if you're first time here, guys, do subscribe my channel called Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos related to affiliate marketing, and put the bell notification once if you subscribe the channel, and do not forget to smash the like button, guys. And thank you very much for the likes and comment in the last video. More likes and comment, guys, help my videos to reach in the search engine, and it will reach to more and more people. They will get more value if you are getting the value. So thank you very much for the last video, guys, and do not forget to give the likes and comments in this video too. So before you start your affiliate marketing campaign, guys, the number one thing where you have to spend little time is, guys, Google ad policies. Okay, they have advertisement policies, guys, and they have some 6 egregious policies. If you violate these 6 egregious policies, guys, they will suspend your account. Okay, and but there are 3 very important policies, guys, which affiliate marketers generally face. I'm going to cover that thing. So here you can see these are the policies they have. It's a huge list. Among this, guys, 3 are very, very important. The number one is, guys, abusing the ad network. Under this, you have to spend little time reading all of these things. Okay, like circumventing system. Then, guys, you have another one, and that is, guys, destination requirement. You will see destination requirements here, and all these things like insufficient original contents, destination mismatch. You have to spend, and you have to make sure you're, while creating the campaign, you're not violating these few things. Okay, and then, guys, you have misrepresent, this one here. Okay, if you open this, guys, again you will see so many important things while running your affiliate campaigns. Okay, spend little time, like for example, like misleading representation, clickbait ads. Okay, so these all things are not allowed, so you have to stay away from claiming the ads and all those things. Second important thing is, guys, Google ad quality score. Now, guys, Google always give a quality score from 1 to 10, right? That's the rating they give to your campaign. And if higher the rating you have, guys, like 7, 8 or 9, the chances are you will rank your ad in the search engine result page, and this is what you want. If somebody is searching, guys, how to lose weight, right, you are not the only marketer who is running your campaign on this keyword. There are thousands of people are running, but the person who have more quality score, their ad will be shown here. That's the number one benefit of having higher the quality score. The second benefit is, guys, you will pay less CPC for this one particular keyword as compared to other marketer. The third very important benefit is, guys, which is a golden benefit, and your ad account will never going to shut down because you are creating very, very relevant ad. But this quality score is having some formula. To understand this, guys, I already have a very depth video in a playlist called Google Ad for Affiliate Marketing, and here you can see the first video, rank your ad and the quality score. Okay, so you can watch this video where I shared this thing in step by step so that you can understand. Okay, and after quality score, guys, another important third tips is, guys, keyword match type. Again, guys, you have to learn keyword match type. So recently they updated their resource page, and they have described this broad match, phrase match and exact match. Otherwise guys, you will lose all your ad spend and you're not going to get any return of investment if you don't follow this broad match, phrase match or exact match. They have an amazing resource center over here where you can learn most of these things right before you start campaign. I have a very depth video in this guys. Look at this Google ad for affiliate marketing keyword match type. Everything guys I have described here step by step. And recently guys, they also removed broad match modifier where you add the plus sign. Okay, so right now they have like broad match, phrase match, exact match, and then they have guys negative keywords. Okay, so these all are very important for you. Fourth tips before you start your affiliate campaign is guys your payment method. So here you can see guys, you have to go about payment method for Google Ads, and according to your country guys, every country they have a different payment methods. Okay, so you can select that payment method and you can see what kind of a payment method they are allowing for your country. Make sure guys you're selecting one payment method, and if you want to add the debit card and credit card, do not change, keep on changing the debit card and credit cards or whatever the method you are selecting here. Okay, so you can go to the tools and setting here and you can go the setting, and then here you can add your payment method. If you keep on change the payment method guys, that also comes under circumventing the system. Okay, they will suspend your ad account if you have unpaid balance or something like, right, you're keep on changing the credit card or debit card, and you're also not adding your tax detail. So make sure you are doing everything, you're setting up your Google ad account. This 4 important thing before you start the ad campaign with Google ad. So here you can see guys webmaster guidelines. Okay, so this is the guidelines guys by Google for everybody who is using Google platform, for ad, for blogger and everybody. So if you click this one guys, it will take you to this interface, and here guys if you scroll down, here is the only place guys, look at this, participating in affiliate program without adding sufficient value. So if you open this guys, this is the only place guys they are talking about affiliate marketers and affiliate programs. And if you read this guys, you will get the answer. They don't have any problem with affiliate marketers, they have the problem with the promotion of the way of promotion from the affiliate marketers. Okay, so they called this pure or thin affiliates website do not provide additional value for their web user. The marketers guys who create a landing page, a bridge page, if they are not providing values in those landing page or their website guys, they are against of them. Okay, that is why if you promote that kind of landing page or website with Google ad, they will suspend your ad account. And here comes my 4 very important point guys, and that leads to the 5th very important point. You need a domain. Okay, maybe you're using Aweber, maybe you're using ClickFunnels. Do not use their domains. Okay, like look at this one here, home manifestation.aweber page. Okay, do not use like this. Buy a domain guys. Okay, your domain should be like this. Okay, beanmanifester.com. okay, whatever the domain you have, you need a domain. You can buy this domain Hostinger or GoDaddy. Okay, there are so many domain guys you're going to get in very cheap. My 6th important tips is guys, before you start affiliate marketing with Google ad, is having your own website. Right, Google love guys having your own website and you're providing values to the user. Okay, for example guys, here you can see this is called beanmanifester.com. okay, this is just a demo website I'm showing you. Okay, I use this website to promote a lot of affiliate offers, and if you go to the blogging area, you're going to get so many blogs which I wrote in a specific niche. Okay, that is the reason I stick to always in a one particular niche in the beginning. If you're a beginner, stick to one niche. I generally promote law of attraction manifestation product a lot. Okay, 60 to 70% guys stick to one niche if you are a beginner. Okay, and guys 30 to 40% you can go out and you can promote any product of any niche. But I just want to show you, right, I am also providing values, writing reviews, right, and using guys this same domain, create a landing page. Right, whatever the campaign I ran guys, generally I use the same domain. Okay, this is one of the best practice, but still you can use a domain and you can create a landing page. Simple standalone landing page. You don't need a website, but this website, having a website in one specific niche guys, that's a good practice with Google ads. Okay, so I use this website, I create landing page from this website to promote with this one account, and in this one account guys, generally I promote law of attraction manifestation product only. Okay, I promote diabetes product, I also promote weight loss product. For that I have a different other account. Okay, and also making sure I'm keeping different domain for those kinds of diabetes product or weight loss product. Okay, that doesn't mean guys you can't create different niche campaign in one ad account. You can do this, but I'm trying my best so that I can do the best practice, and then you can run these kinds of campaign guys. You will not going to have any problem. Hope you're enjoying the video guys. If you're getting the values, then smash the like button guys right away right now. If you have any doubt related to this video guys till now or further guys, let me know in the comment. So again we are here in the advertisement policies guys. If we go again in the destination requirement, and one more thing guys, like misrepresentation. Okay, so if you go to this destination requirement, if you scroll down here, you can see insufficient original content. If you go here, you will see the bridge page, doorway, gateway, or other intermediate page which we create, which we call like guys landing page, that are only used to link to other site. When we create a landing page guys with Google, you have to create completely different PPC friendly or Google friendly landing page that I'm going to show you in a second. Another important thing is guys, presentation. If you scroll down guys again, if you go down here, clickbait ad, right? So if you go here, right, any kinds of ad that claim to reveal secret, scandal, sensational things, okay, that is not allowed, right? That is the reason I said you should not do any claim. If you go down, you can read unreliable claims. Now guys, here comes my tips number 7, that is PPC Google friendly landing page. Okay, so right now guys, here you can see this is one of the landing page. This landing page is very good guys, running with Facebook ad but not with Google. Okay, this doesn't have anything, right? This one is very good with Bing ad, okay, but not with the Google ad. Okay, so for Google ad guys, you have to write right in a long form. Here you can see, right, they want that you should not keep them secret, okay, from their users. You have to share them, you have to keep it curious, you have to keep them simple. Okay, so here you can see unlock the world largest collection of 16,000 woodworking plan, and here I said here is the big problem. I addressed the problem and I said here is what you are going to get. Okay, some testimonials and guys the call to action button. This is what they want. For example guys, this is another offer, right? Moonlight manifestation. Here you can see again I said video revealed how to manifest anything, but I have already shared them. You will discover in this video and these steps. Okay, this is what they want. So you're writing in a long form, you have to keep the copy curious so that they can make a click and they can go and watch the sales page. Number 8 tips before you start affiliate marketing with Google ad is guys, privacy policies. Each of these landing page should have guys these privacy policies, and you must give these privacy policies at the bottom, right? And it should be very clear, right? For example, if you are running with Google ad or YouTube ads, right, you should give this privacy policy, like this site is not part of Google website or network of sites such as YouTube, right? So you have to give this one here, and then if you're promoting ClickBank product guys, you must give the ClickBank privacy policies. Along with this guys, you also need your domain related or your website related, right, privacy policies, contact terms and condition. This all and more guys you can make by free. Here terms feed privacy policy generator, this is completely free. You can start with free and make sure immediately, right, you are also buying like this GDPR, California Consumer Privacy Act. But in the case of lead collection, right, if you're collecting the lead emails, then you must need all these things original one. That's a best practice here. So with this privacy policy generated, you can create free one and then later you can upgrade for the paid one. So number 9 tips is product guideline for affiliates. So here you can see this is one of the ClickBank offer, and if you go down here guys, make sure you're spending the time in their affiliate page reading about the PPC campaigns, okay, whether they are allowing you with Google ads or not. So here you can see affiliates are not allowed to run any PPC brand campaigns. That means keyword bidding are not allowed for this product guys. Okay, so absolutely no bidding on any Revita Pro branded keywords. Any keyword which you're using, right, while running this PPC campaign should not have this, right, Revita Pro. Affiliate are not permitted to use terms like scam and fraud. Affiliate may not link directly to the Revita Pro order form. Okay, so do not do the direct linking. Create a landing page, because landing page will increase your sales. So number 10 spend the budget. So everybody want to know, right, how much budget I need with Google Ads to promote affiliate offer or any ad platform. So if you understand affiliate marketing promoting with paid ads, you have to understand the 7 fingers of the ads. For example, guys, when you start promoting the affiliate offer, you do the product research. Then you're going to do the target audience research, because you should know the product and you should also know the keyword, the interest, the behavior of this target audience. Then you're going to create a landing page, you're going to write the copy. Okay, now everything begins from here. So now whatever you did here, and you're going to run the test campaign, you're going to test the campaign. Okay, and your next step is, right, to find the best performing ad group or keyword, and that is only possible, guys, when you know how to read the key performing indicator, that is optimization. So once if you'll get the winning ad group or winning ad copy, guys, you're going to scale, and this is how you will make money here. And the real money lies in retargeting. When you're going to do the retargeting, this is how the general things work. Now, so the answer is, more you have, more testing you can do, more product selection you can have, more target keyword you can find, more different landing page variation you can create, more testing you can do, right? You can kill that campaign, you can create another campaign. Okay, this all thing will happen, guys, right? You are going to run a lot of failed campaign before you will run your first successful campaign. Okay, and this process is never going to stop. So guys, you need a good budget. More you have, more you can do this. So minimum, guys, start with $2,000. That is the right place where you can have a lot of flexibility to do all those things. Okay, or else if you have a lesser, for example, let's say you have a platform like blogging, you're doing blogging and you're earning $500 per month from AdSense. That's a great idea. You can every month you can use that $500, go to ad platform, and you can test and you can learn all those things, copywriting, target audience, testing, all those things you can. That means, guys, start with free traffic, which can give you minimum $300 to $500, and every month, right, for the next 6 months or 7 months, you can test this amount and you can learn that. But having a $1,000, $2,000 and more than that is a good idea to come to the ad platform, right? This all depends upon you. So before you start with Google Ad, guys, these are the 10 things which you should know. Hope you learn, hope you enjoy. If you like this video, smash the like button, guys, and subscribe the channel, guys. And before you go, guys, I have a complete Google Ad affiliate marketing playlist. This is very, very important playlist, guys. Quality score to keyword match, landing page, every video I have covered here. You must spend little time watching these videos and learning and implementing in your own campaigns.